Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, June 6th. Kind of a quiet day today. There's no economic news releases scheduled for today. This week is kind of quiet in that aspect. There's not going to be a whole lot this week in terms of economic calendar, on the economic calendar this week. So a lot of it's going to be more, what corporate relations release or geopolitical stuff. So today is no different. We have the stock market's down. We're at all-time highs across the board, but geopolitics are making its way into the difference maker for the stock market as well as the bond market and everything else. Now, the reason being is that Thursday we got the UK is going to have their parliament election. They want to, that could have their announcement on Thursday as well. And that could play. They want to see if there's going to be any difference in the accommodation that they've already set moving forward, or if they might be cutting back on some of the quantitative easing or stuff like that. So there's going to be some anticipation when they give their announcement. Then third, we got the Comey testimony before Congress or the Senate coming forward as well here in the U.S. And then next week, we got the Fed meeting next week. So that's going to be another one that's going to be coming up. But these three things coming up this Thursday, so now the stock market is, since there's not a whole lot of other news, they're going to probably take it a little slow now and in anticipation for what, how those three things come out. So as a result, the 10-year Treasury has dropped all the way down to 2.13%. Now, the reason why that's kind of important is because at we haven't been down below 2.16 since the election, since we've had that big drop, and every time we've touched about the 2.16, the treasuries have grown up and interest rates have gone up as a result. So us going down lower, we're actually at one of the better rates we've seen since the election happened. So enjoy this now. We don't know how long this could last. But again, we're at the best rates we've seen since the election, especially since we went up about approximately 0.5% to the interest rate since the elections happened. So let's take a look at the bond market as we mentioned. So right now we're above this 200-day moving average, which is right here. Here we are now. We broke above it on Friday, and we tested it yesterday a bit, and now we're up even higher. Now, we'll probably close this gap here. We have this opening gap here, which is pretty big. We'll probably close that up at some point this week or even perhaps today. But again, interest rates are better. We're currently up about 19 basis points from where we left off yesterday, which is giving better pricing or better interest rates today as a result of that. So that pretty much concludes it today. But if you guys want to get more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me underneath Mike Bjork on Twitter, and I do post updates throughout the day. Again, if you guys are ever looking for a mortgage, looking to purchase, I can help you out with your pre-approvals and provide the financing for it. I am a loan officer, as well as different strategies for refinances. We're helping quite a few people going from adjustable rate mortgages with the rates going up into a fixed rate. Some people want to go from a 30-year fixed into a 15-year fixed. We even have some people with the increase in equity in their properties now taking some of that money out and doing a lot of different things, from maybe fixing up the property or growing, especially since there's not a lot of inventories out there. So maybe they're adding on to the property, or they're maybe consolidating debt, or they have kids in college and they're using that as part of the payment for college. There's a lot of different things that they're doing, and I've worked with real estate investors, so they're taking some money out, their equity of their properties, and repositioning so they can buy more properties. So a lot of different things you can do in that avenue. Just feel free to reach out and touch base, and love to help you create a plan for yourself. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.